Thank you for choosing the Garmin MARQ Athlete Gen 2 Carbon Modern Tool Watch. This video will guide you through setting up your new watch. We would recommend you charge your watch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. Pro tip: for longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the Start/Stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, you will be directed to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The app will now begin searching for your device. For new or existing customers, select Connected when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will automatically associate the code displayed on the watch in the Garmin Connect app. Then select Pair. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app's setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. The default watch face is specific to your MARQ edition, but it can be customized to show data that is important to you. Your MARQ also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swiping up or down allows you to scroll through pages. Tap an option to select it. Swiping right will take you back. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the backlight. Your MARQ edition is custom tailored to your fitness passion and includes a hotkey to quickly display your training information. To open the hotkey, press and hold the Start/Stop button. To get to your activity list, press the Start/Stop button. By default, your MARQ edition will have a preset activity list that mirrors your passion. However, you can select Add at the bottom of the list to add more activities. Simply scroll through the list and select the activity you want to add by pressing the Start/Stop button. Next, confirm where you want to place it on your list. Then repeat this process to add other activities. To open an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Then, wait for your watch to receive a GPS signal. Once acquired, press the Start/Stop button to begin the activity. And that's it. Your Garmin MARQ Athlete Gen 2 is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please visit support.garmin.com.